Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display how to do local authentication in a Flutter macOS application. So what I mean by local authentication is, like, suppose if you have biometric sensors on your Mac, you can do that, or if you have a fingerprint or touch sensor, you can do that. My Mac only has password authentication, so here I will show you the demo. So I have one button. If I click on the button, here you can see it is asking me for the password, and if I enter wrong password, it doesn't dismiss. But if I enter the right password and click OK, here you can see I get the success message. So I am running it via Xcode, that's why the logs are coming inside Xcode. But if you want, you can run it via terminal using the flutter run command as well. So let's see how to do this. So here I have my application. Inside main.dart, I have just refactored this homepage widget. So here I have created one method channel called local auth platform, and here I have just created one text button, and on press of it we are just calling doAuth. So here you can see we are invoking a method called doAuth, and whatever value we get from it, I'm just printing it to the console, as well as we are handling some exceptions as well. So same identifier of local auth platform and doAuth, you have to use it on macOS side as well. So what I have done is that I have opened the XE workspace from macOS inside Xcode. So here it is. Next, so here I have imported firstly local authentication. Then inside main Flutter window I have created LA context as well as NS error, and then here we are first registering our method channel using the same identifier of local auth platform, and here we are calling the doAuth method. So if the context.can evaluate policy device owner authentication, and we just do context.evaluate policy, and if it is success, I'm sending success message back to Flutter side. In case of error, I'm sending back the error. Similarly over here as well, and this is just for the default case. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching. Bye.